Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching my free time trick I taught on Thursday, and also performing it. So, I'm going to start now. So, did you know that a deck of cards can be an elevator? Well, they can. So, I have my three travelers, the ace of diamonds, the two of diamonds, and the three of diamonds. So, I am going to take those and show you them. So I have the ace, I have the 1, 2, and 3 cards. So I have the 3 of diamonds, which I'll place over here. I have the 2 of diamonds, which I'll place right here. And I have the ace of diamonds, which I'll place on top of the deck. So, since this card deck is an elevator, there has to be 2 up and down buttons. So, this is the up button and this is the down button. Make sense? So, since I put the ace on the top, I'm going to move it to the bottom, and when I touch the up button, I'll wait a couple seconds and it moves to the top. I'll take the 2 of diamonds, place it on top, press the down button, wait a little bit, and it comes to the bottom. Now, elevators are kind of slow, so I'm going to make a portal. So I'm going to take the ace of diamonds, put it through one end of the portal, and then whoop, it goes. It disappears from there, and it goes through the portal. So that's the trick. And now for the tutorial. So, all you need for this trick is the same suit of an ace, 2, and 3, and then also a random card. So I'll just use the 5 of spades, which I used for the performance, but you didn't really know. So what you're going to do is you're going to have I'm going to be using the ace of diamonds because I was already using them, and I am going to be putting them down and putting the extra random card underneath the 3 of diamonds. And so to pick them up, you can set this out already and then ask whoever you're performing on to then come to where you are, so then they don't see you putting down the extra card. So you're going to start by picking up the ace of diamonds, and then what you're going to do is overlap the ace of diamonds with the 2 of diamonds to make it so it's going away from your fingers, and then you're going to make it cover this and this card. You're going to cover the 3 of diamonds, so then you can pick it up. This table's a little bit hard to pick up stuff on, but I did it. And so then you slide it together, so then it's all tight and squared away, and so then they won't know you have 4 cards. So then what you do is you're gonna either do a hard version of this, which I messed up on in the performance slightly, not sure if you could tell. You're supposed to jam this corner of the pile into like your palm, and then use your middle finger that's free, and then slide this bottom with your pointer finger, and then try to slyly get it so you have like 2 cards on the top, not on the bottom, but on the top squared, so then it's sneaky. And then you show them this card which has 2 cards, so you're trying to be careful, and you say, okay, I have the 3 of diamonds, then you place them on top of the deck and put it down, and it's not the 3 of diamonds, it's the random card, and then you do the same thing, or you could just do a double lift the top part, and then you say, okay, I have the 2 of diamonds, so you're holding 2 cards actually though, and then it's actually the 2 of diamonds and 3 of diamonds, so I do that, and then I place it down, which is the 3 of diamonds actually, so then I don't say anything really, and I place the ace of diamonds on the top of the deck, which you cannot see, and you place it there, and then say, okay, well, there's actually 2 versions of doing that, so I showed you that version, and then I'm gonna show you though a different, easier version. So let me get to that position real quick. So I got this. That was sloppy, obviously, and not how you're supposed to do it. So what you can do is bring down 2 cards. You can like lift 2 cards in the back. So these are 2 cards. There's 2 cards here, but this is the one you're trying to keep as like looking like 1 card, and then you can slide down this one and say, okay, I have 3 cards, and then you're gonna show this part and say, okay, I have the 3 of diamonds. I'm gonna place it down. Try to not show that there's 4 cards, and then place down, which is not the 3 of diamonds, but the random card, and then you can do the double lift here, and then the 2 of diamonds, place it. And keep this deck square because I think there's only 1 card here, and then you're going to put it on top of the deck like I showed for the harder version too. So we're back at the same spot, so if you did either way, follow along here now. So what you're going to do is take the ace of diamonds, although it's the 2 of diamonds, and put it on the bottom floor, which is the bottom. It has to be the bottom, not like slide it in somewhere at the bottom, which happened for some kids because they thought, oh, just the bottom is near the bottom, but put it at the very bottom, okay? So you're gonna say, okay, so I'm gonna have the ace of diamonds come up to the top by using the up elevator button, and wait a few seconds. You can do like little funny extra hand movement and say, well, it came to the top. So now I'm going to take the 2 of diamonds, which is not the 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, put it on the top of the deck and press the down button and wait a few seconds, and then sure enough it comes to the bottom, so then you place that there. And then you're going to say, well, elevators are kind of slow, so let's make this elevator into a portal, so then you can make a cool little slide, which is basically just a cut. It's nothing big. You just do a whatever this is called, I'm blanking, but just practice this. You don't have to do this, like, then I just kind of like tap it, but you're doing nothing. So basically you can just go like this and do a cut, and then just remember that this is the top pile, and you're going to place the 3 of diamonds, which is actually the random card, on the cut in half pile, and then you're going to say, okay, it went through the portal, and with the snap it came through, and there's the 3 of diamonds. So there's our 3 travelers, and that's our trick. So I hope you guys liked that, and we'll practice it. I honestly really like this trick, and I would perform it if I were still a camper. And remember to practice, and if you practice and perform on Friday, you guys get a little prize, so don't forget about that, and I'll see you guys later.